Hi everyone, welcome you all again. And previously we have learned about how to create a dictionary. We have learned one of the way how we can create a dictionary by simply specifying value, then colon, then value, and then followed by the comma and again key and values. Key can be string, numeric, floating point, anything, but make sure that you should not have a duplicate key, and if you have a duplicate key then the later one or the last key which you have defined, that will overwrite all the previous keys with the same name. Okay, so now today we are going to see one more way of creating a dictionary by using a method. Let's say we are going to create let's say Manoj is the name of the dictionary, and then we can specify dictionary, and here it's a method, then we have to specify the dictionary, and you can specify in the parenthesis uh, whatever you want to specify in the parenthesis, sorry, like let's say a name Manoj. Let's say we can specify age, again it should be in brackets, let's say 24, that's perfectly fine. And if you want to specify any list, for example subjects, okay, subjects, and you can specify the list, complete list here. For example, let's say English is your one subject, and Hindi is your another subject, and then you can specify physics, chemistry, many more. Okay, I will be sticking to this much only, and if you need to specify you can change the line, but I'm not going to do so. And you can print this by simply saying Manoj. This will print the complete dictionary. And if you want to specify any specific value, sorry, in key, then you can get its value. For example, like this Manoj I'm getting, and this time I will be using subjects. You can check it out. I'm getting the subject. Now what if, wait a minute, what if I specify subject? So now you can see there is no key of which is subject, it is subjects. So let us check it out. Again we are getting which error, that is called a line for key error. Okay, so you are getting key error if you specify the key which doesn't exist in the dictionary. Okay, so this is how this dictionary works. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to specify another way of creating a dictionary. Let's say Amit, and this time I will be using a dictionary. And here in the dictionary, what you need to specify, you need to specify list of tuples. Okay, so this is the list, and in the tuple, this is the tuple. So this will make a key and a value. Okay, somewhat like this. Let's do it, and I will be copying this from here, paste it, and instead of a colon I must specify a comma since this is a tuple. Okay, so this is the tuple, this is the first key value pair, and I'm going to specify another tuple for another key value pair here in the parenthesis, and by simply removing the comma. Okay, now if you try to print this summit, it is again a dictionary. Okay, now you can check it out. And if you want to print any of the key, or you can specify Amit, let's say name, wait a minute, it should be capital N and C. So this is how you can specify or create dictionary by using a method. Now what if you want to create an empty dictionary, let's say ABC, and you specify somewhat like this will create an empty dictionary. Okay, let's say print type ABC, and let's say print ABC, right? Let us execute this piece of code and see what we get. And you can see I'm getting a DICT or dictionary as a type, and this is an empty dictionary. Okay, hope you got how to create a dictionary. Okay, now one way of getting the values of dictionary is by simply specifying the key inside the bracket. Let's say mth, and if I specify a single quote's name, then it should give me the name called Manoj. We have noticed earlier, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to use another method called get, and now specify name here, and you can see this, I got the value of the name. Okay, similarly if I specify Manoj and I specify subjects, I should be getting all the subjects in this dictionary. Okay, hope you got that. Now let us learn how to modify the dictionary elements. Okay, for example, here you can check it out. The name of Manoj is Manoj. Let's say Manoj, and let us modify this Manoj's name. Instead of Manoj, its bracket name is name, and I want to modify it to Manoj Singh. Okay, so what I'm going to do, Manoj Singh. Okay, now if I try to print this Manoj, and I must get updated dictionary. Okay, now you can see initially it was Manoj, and then after modification it has become Manoj Singh. Okay, now one more thing, if you specify somewhat like this and you use a small name, and then let us copy this thing again, what you will notice that uh, one more element is being created. So make sure whenever you are updating, you should be using a same case for the keys. Okay, if you use a different key case, it will create a new element. So this is how you can create a another element or add element to the existing dictionary. You just need to specify a new value. For example, if I want to specify the school name, school, let's say I'm going to specify our school name only, General BC Joshi APS. Let's correct this G. Okay, and now print this name. Okay, now you can check it out. I am successfully able to create a new value, key value pair in the dictionary. Okay, so this is how you can update and create a new element in a dictionary. Right, now what if I want to delete a key? Just, it is very simple. Manoj, then you can specify, let's say school only. Let's do it and use a del. Okay, so del school, del Manoj school, and let us try to print this Manoj and check it out whether it has been deleted or not, and run this program. You will see school is deleted. Similarly, if you want to delete one more element, you can specify, let's say Manoj, and you can specify, let's say name. Okay, if you run this program, and you will see name has been deleted from the dictionary. So this is how we can manipulate our dictionary. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and that's all for the day. Tomorrow we are going to learn another method to delete, that is pop. It is really simple, just like a list. You can do it yourself also. Okay, and so that's all for the day. Hope you liked it.